I have this Microsoft Access database here, which I want to open using MS Access. But if I try to open this, as you can see, it is not loaded and my Microsoft Access becomes unresponsive. And if I try to open this database using another software, that is MDB Viewer Plus, I get this error that says cannot open database. It may not be a database that your application recognizes, or the file may be corrupt. So basically, this database is not opening up in MS Access, so it is probably corrupt or there are some other issues. So let's try to fix this. I'll show you two methods on how to fix this. First, we will try to fix this using MS Access command line tool, and if that does not work, I'll show you how to repair this using Stellar Recovery for MS Access. Okay, so to try to repair this with MS Access, to try to repair this with inbuilt tool in MS Access, just open your command line, then go to your MS Access installation directory, which is this in my case, and enter this command. So the command is msaccess.exe and then the full path of your database inside double quotes and then /repair. Let's run it and your database will be repaired and it will be opened in MS Access automatically. But as you can see, MS Access crashes and it does not open. Again, if we try to open this with any other Access database viewer, I still get this error that says cannot open database. Database may be corrupt. Okay, so the first method has failed. Now let's try with another method. So I've installed an application called Stellar Repair for Access. Let's try to repair using this. And if this works, I'll show you how and where you can get this application. So straight away, it gives you this dialog box that says select database. So just browse and select your database that is giving you problems and just click on repair. And since it's a small database that I've just created for this demo, I get this message almost within a second that says selected MS Access database repaired successfully. And if I see here, I can see the tables and the data that is inside the database. So basically, you have opened the database here in Stellar Repair for Access. Now what you can do is click on Save Database, save inside the desktop itself, click OK, and it is now saving inside desktop. Now I can minimize this. After a while, you'll see this message, repaired file successfully. Now you can just click on OK and close it. And if you refresh your desktop, as you can see, a repair database will be visible here. Now let's try to open this in Access. I'll just double click to open it in Access. And here you can see the database is visible. So you can see the data here and everything is working as expected. As you can see, Stellar Repair for Access actually worked and it has repaired the database, which the default MS Access command line utility did not repair. To get this software, what you can do is you can go to this URL and you will see this Access Database Repair Tool to repair corrupt Access database. And there are actually a lot of different use cases where you can use this to repair your Access database. That is, if you face errors like unrecognized database error, inconsistent state, or if your compact and repair utility has failed, just like I've shown you, you can still use Stellar Recovery for Database to repair your database. If you want to download and try this, you can find the link in the description below and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.